Hey, it's Jessie, and I'm at a fabulous Mexican restaurant in Big Bear, California. It's extraordinary. And I just wanted to show you the drop card technique. I mean, there's nobody who wouldn't successfully use these cards. It's an unbelievable technique. I don't know if you can see this, but here's what it is. It's actually $100 bill. It's really not. It's no difference. You can't tell the difference between this $100 bill and a real one. On the inside is your business, okay? So on the outside, it's $100 bill. On the inside, it's the business card. Is that brilliant or what? No, so here's as easy as it is. I've used maybe 500 of these. I get leads all the time. So, you know, how fun would it be to just find a $100 bill in a sugar? Did you get a picture of that? Who wouldn't pick that up? Who wouldn't pick that up? Okay? That's a drop card technique. That's just one of the million techniques we have as marketers to create leads. You could use it too. Check it out, MLMmarketingmadness.com. See you around.